Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's paint a very cute sleeping fox tonight. To paint the fox and the fuzzy fur, we have to paint it wet on wet. I will be painting the fur in 3 steps. After wetting the paper very generously, I have mixed some yellow ochre, pyrrole red and a little bit of Hansa medium to get this reddish orange kind of fur. As you can see, I am using my half-inch Aqua Elite flat brush from Princeton. Sometimes I am using the brush tip and sometimes I am using the whole of the brush to give the fuzzy fur effect. I will observe the reference again and again, and just according to the level of saturation, I will be putting the color on the fox face. Here I have mixed some Indian red with my previous color mix. Yes, I have taken some Indian red. It is not a transparent color, and as I am painting the shadow, it doesn't matter a lot. I will be putting this mix only on the shadow areas. Now I have taken some phthalo blue red shade just to point out the shadow inside its nose and also some shadow on the white fur of its face. I just forgot to mention that you can get the sketch for free on my Patreon. The link is in pinned comment. I just let it dry after the first layer, and now I am rewetting the paper for the second layer. This is the second layer of the same mix as I have used earlier, but in thicker consistency. You have to make the strokes of the brush according to the alignment of the fur in the reference. This time I am mixing some sepia with Indian red and the red orange mix to increase the saturation, also to increase the depth. Now I have taken a small round brush, that is number 8, and I am darkening some specific areas like around the eyes and nose. I will paint the dark eyelashes of the fox with neutral tint. To paint the ear, I have wet the area and using an angular brush from same heritage. It is a 1/4 inch brush and I am just using sepia and neutral tint mix to paint the darkest area of the ear. I am now going to rewet the paper and give the third layer of paints over the fur. To paint the nose, I am going to make the first layer with ultramarine and then the shadows with neutral tint. It will take quite a time and you have to be patient to build up the nose. It is the nose that will make the painting 3D. I will now redo the ears and some selective areas that need some depth. You just have to make some black whiskers of the fox with a rigger brush and neutral tint. I have done that off camera, and with this my painting is almost done, and hope you liked it and will enjoy it doing it with me. See you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.